butter of chocolate powder. Now we mix it all until it mixes well. Now we put half of cup milk. Now we mix it. Mix it all together. Now we put it in light heating. Now we put 100 grams of butter. After the butter melted, we put dark chocolate. Mix it all together until the dark chocolate melts. Put the biscuit in a bowl. Just 54 pieces. Cut it small pieces. Like this. We put dark chocolate in the biscuit. Mix it together until it looks like this. Then we put the blend on parchment paper after divided into 2 halves. Then we wrap it like a sandwich. Again we wrap it with foil. Now we put it in the freezer for an hour. After 4 hours, we take it out and cut it slice. Put the coconut in the top. Try it at your home. Thanks for watching. Bye. Because of Ahmed. 2, 1. Hi guys, my name is Hamza. My name is Rada. Today we will go to. Today we are making lazy